pizza emergency! It's a pizza emergency! Come on, man! It's a pizza emergency, please, please! Come on! Hey, dude, I'm really sorry. I know you guys are closed, but it's a pizza emergency. Can we come in?
Yeah, sure.
Come on, guys! Hey, welcome back to People Be Like. I'm John Ross.
I'm Yessica.
I'm William Haynes.
And today we're here with my good friend Brian Montero. Brian, thank you so much for helping us out with this pizza emergency, man.
Yeah, no worries, man. I heard you needed help making some pizza.
I did.
Yep,
So
yeah.
let's just dig right in,
No,
right?
Whoa!
What's the
Don't
first
touch
step,
it.
Brian?
Well, the first thing is everybody has to wash your hands. Let's make sure you get those.
Safety first, then teamwork.
No
Okay.
germs.
Oh!
100% unnecessary.
Say happy birthday twice. Or is it once? You have to sing happy birthday twice.
Oh, really? That's copyright. We can't do that. All right, now that we're back in all washed, what's the actual first step?
All right, so now we're gonna mess with three doughs here. We're gonna
They
make
look
three
like
different
boobs.
pizzas. Similar to boobs,
That's
kind of, I
fine.
guess.
I've never had one of those in my hand.
So pretty much you want to kind of squeeze it, make sure it gets
I
unstuck.
open
Yeah,
Okay.
Squeeze it.
yeah. Push it down. So make sure it gets
Hold on,
off
Will's
the-
still putting on his gloves.
Like that?
Perfect. So you want to just make sure it doesn't get stuck onto the paper.
Oh, okay. So we're
So you can just easy.
I don't know if that's what he's supposed
No,
to
not quite, but
Squeeze?
no. So then you want to pop this in here.
Punish
Okay.
it, right?
do. Then we dough it up.
Yeah, exactly.
Dude,
Flour
can
it
you eat
up.
this? No, you cannot eat this.
Not like that. No, not quite.
Do I take it out now?
Yeah, you're gonna take it
Put it
out. You're gonna
back
put it
there?
out. Now you're gonna take this out. You're gonna put it right here.
Okay. So what is the point of doing this, putting it in the dry dough so it doesn't get sticky
So
to this?
yeah, because if you're gonna when you're gonna put it in the oven, you want to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the.
Oh,
Like
okay.
that.
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah. So this pretty much helps it.
Ooh, what is this
So
technique?
now what you're gonna use is you're gonna use the tips of your fingers. And you're just gonna push it in a circular motion.
Oh,
pretty
wow.
I've never made a pizza before.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah, you're much better at this. That's a
Doesn't have to be
sexy-looking
perfect.
pizza, John.
Thank you. Teamwork.
That's a good circle, too.
Oh, I'm very OCD about my circles. If this doesn't have a perfect circumference, I'm not eating it.
Circumference.
much. You want to get in here.
Whoa!
Oh.
Perforate the edges.
Have you ever used that on your back? Or in your muscles?
Not this exact one, but yeah, I have. This pretty much makes sure there's no air pockets in it.
Oh, I see.
So it can cause bubbles. It's still gonna get bubbles, but not not as much.
Oh boy. Oh boy. This ain't Benihana's. Oh!
You got the point. You got the point. You're gonna pick it
Oh
up.
god.
Oh no.
You kind of swing it around.
I heard you have to sing a song while you do this, right?
Yeah, usually an Italian song. Yeah.
Oh!
Wow, that's true art.
All right, all right.
You just did like 5 steps in one.
Kind
You know that,
of.
right?
Let's see you guys try. Roll it around.
Whoa. Well, you don't have the pizza
Kind of
on.
like the
Oh,
neck.
I'm learning.
Oh, okay.
Kinda
It's like a rave. You know
Wow,
when you're raving?
wow,
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah. You there?
Oh!
Pretty good.
All right, let's do it. Okay, okay.
You want to just toss it up.
Okay, all right, I'm done. All right,
Yeah.
one and done.
Oh fuck.
Okay, all right.
Get out of the way,
All
everyone.
right, this one's probably gonna be a calzone, guys. That's some sort of
I
technique.
think you got the.
Hey! Oh no!
Oh.
Well, you're
Okay, all right, all right, that's fine. All right,
Not bad, not bad.
Oh no!
Stop touching it. You're ruining it.
Oh, you're gonna get hella bubbles. No, stop.
All right. So this is our secret ingredient, marinara
Secret sauce. Okay.
You don't want to grab too much since it's a smaller pizza. Put it right in the middle. A little circular
You want to do
motion.
the sauce?
Okay, I'll do the sauce.
That's nice.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh. Oh no.
Oh, he made it look so easy.
Here Get it all out first. Get out of the ladle first. There you go. And now spread it out. See, Will doesn't like crust, so he's
Oh, I forgot about the crust area. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's hard.
Yeah, that's a sexy freaking sauce.
Yeah, we get more of that sauce.
Hey, look at that sauce.
Yeah. I went to New York once. I know how it goes.
Ooh, he's saucy.
You can get lost in the sauce.
Wow.
Add some cheese.
Okay, so wait, why is there sliced cheese and shredded cheese?
Basically, this is kind of just to make it neat, so it layers out
Oh,
evenly.
okay.
And then this is just sprinkle
Put on top. Gotcha.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, definitely.
We're gonna eat it regardless.
You want to put it all around.
Oh, look at that.
I'm not sure if you
look
guys.
at that overlap.
Oh,
Yes,
that overlap. Oh, all about the overlap.
You know, be a cheese bay, I guess.
Cheese bay, I like that.
I could do that too.
You're like cheese boy.
You're gonna finish it off with a
Some
traditional
pepperoni, the
pepperoni.
classics. Yes, please. Oh my God.
Isn't that
That's
good?
like that string cheese.
It's like string cheese, but it's already been strung.
It's already been strung.
Can
Oh man.
Can I put on some?
You want the pips? You want to put the pips?
Can we make a smiley face on ours?
Okay, yeah. No, we'll just do smiley face. We'll keep it simple. I'm gonna do the long eyes, you know, so that.
Oh, old
you get
school.
more- Yeah.
Mine is a Nike check mark because if you don't stand for nothing, you.
Can you just make it a sad face?
I guess so.
I just realized I've never made a pizza before, but I'm pretty satisfied.
You know what's funny? If you cut it in the right way, it's gonna be a half cheese, half pepperoni pizza.
That's exactly what I wanted.
Oh, you're
Equality in my food.
Oh no.
Ready to put it in the oven, guys? So you just pretty much grab it, place it in the oven.
Oh, and it already does the work for you.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
Just anywhere?
Anywhere, yeah, you're fine.
Ooh, that's warm.
Wow, you just got cheese in there. And now we wait.
5 minutes later.
Look at our little smiley
That
face.
looks
It's
great.
beautiful. He looks like he's talking.
Yeah, he's like, it hurts so good. Y'all gonna love me.
It's like an alien though. It looks like it has 3 eyes.
So we're gonna do the small one first.
Yeah.
It looks like a.
Oh, shit. It's because Will fucked up, that's why.
It's not gonna come out.
Oh my God, hey, Will's yours not gonna come out.
Why? What's wrong with it?
He's like, I didn't want to be born.
Story of my life.
Oh, it's ugly.
Too much cheese on
Looks
that one
burnt at the
part.
bottom.
Lopsided.
It's lopsided.
It's lopsided for sure. I really tried.
Thank you, Brian.
Don't do that. It's hot. Stop.
All right, so here are all of our pizzas right now. I think they came out beautifully, except for Will's.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically this is ready. There's no more
That's
steps
it?
after this?
Yeah.
Okay.
The last step is to eat. That's pretty much it.
All right, cool.
Wow.
Well, we're going to set these aside, but I know you said you had another kind of pizza you wanted to make.
So I have a more of it's more modern style. Something
More
I like to
modern,
create
kind of a
my own.
mashup.
Yeah,
LA
something like
pizza?
it's California. A lot of people like tacos and
Is,
stuff.
Hell yeah.
is this what you like to like when you're like here
Yeah.
in the pizza shop like alone? You're like, I'm gonna make myself something for me.
Exactly, it's like a secret
Self-care.
menu. Yeah,
Okay.
Exactly. I will. Before we do that, I'm gonna need you to do me a favor. I'm gonna need you to take this to a friend of mine. You're gonna ask for Angel. He's gonna give you something back.
Okay.
Can I
Special.
come?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, I'm gonna ask for Ahem.
It's an angel, like Jesus.
Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Are you on hell? I'm looking for Angel.
Right here.
Where is he?
I'm looking for you. Wait.
On hell, it is I. Are you on hell? I got this pizza here. You got any meat you could trade for it?
I got a box.
Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
But yeah, man, if it wasn't for that horse, I don't think I would have made it through college.
Alright, I got the meats.
This is something very traditionally Mexican.
Oh my god, that's hella meat.
Wait, you got some tortillas or something? What are you gonna do with that?
Something way better.
So this is some al pastor.
Can I just eat it?
Which is pretty much marinated shredded pork.
Pork, yeah.
Hey!
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
That's Amici's. Ooh, what is this?
Wait, is this chocolate?
No, it's barbecue sauce.
Some barbecue sauce.
Chocolate!
Oh, okay. So he doesn't put the cheese first. He'll put the meat first.
Yeah, so it basically
Wow.
Wow.
You've taken everything I've learned and turned it upside down, Brian.
Yeah. This is also a little southern too, because you got that barbecue sauce. So if
yeah.
anything, this is the most accurate representation of the United States of America.
This pizza is America.
It's North America. No Canadian twist though.
No, but pineapple usually is from Hawaii.
That's true.
And that is a lot of Asian American influence.
Okay, so most people they don't really put pineapple on their pizza, but al
I
pastor.
do.
First of all, Will does, but al pastor is marinated with pineapple. So I think there's gonna be a nice little combination of flavors here.
And when you go to get a taco spot and you get al pastor, they usually are like cut it off the thing, and then they go whoop, and then there's a little piece of pineapple that flies from the top, and they catch it with a tortilla. It's
What are they
really
going to do?
cool.
Whoop?
You go whoop.
You're kidding me. You're gonna put this on top of there?
Yes, sir.
That's blasphemous.
Somebody stop this man.
Just kidding.
It's not pizza unless there's cheese. Let's be honest.
No, definitely not. Then you'd have a tortilla.
There
Right.
you go. Now it's
So
just-
this is just a pizza dough quesadilla.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, so I think we learned that pizzas are kind of hard to up, except for Will, but it looks really good.
I really tried my best. Everybody wants to make fun and act like I didn't, but that's how I thought you were supposed to make a pizza.
Honestly, it's not that ugly. Like, I really expected, like, the sauce to be sliding down. I
Yeah,
expected you
yeah.
to break the machine.
Yeah.
And that didn't happen, so I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Yessica.
All right, let's bring out the first pepperoni slice.
I gotta unbutton my belt. Hold on.
Oh!
Is this mine?
Yep, this is Will's.
What are y'all talking about? This is great.
All
I
right.
like the racetrack. Like,
Yeah,
fucking
dude, what do you mean it looks great? Like, what is this? What is this?
It's art. My pizza is half art.
Can I have the little piece?
Yeah, I want.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
It's so good.
Dude,
Now here's the real test: the crust.
the crust.
Nobody really likes the crust. I with the crust. Some people don't.
I don't like crust.
I felt like I burned my crust, to be honest.
It's a nice char artisan type of flavor.
Is that hand tossed?
This is delicious.
It's delicious.
All right, 5 out of 5. That's
That's
a really good pizza, man.
It's good pizza. And
Yeah.
I'm
And
the
that's
worst.
the worst one.
Yep.
Yeah.
And that's so good.
Oh wow!
That's beautiful.
This is like if Chipotle made pizza.
Wow. I love the green.
Look at
in
this
it.
half Italian, half Mexican baby
It
right
looks
here.
healthy.
And very even throughout the whole thing. All the slices
Is there
look
is
the
there a
same
famous
size.
half Italian, half Mexican like actor?
Some beautiful woman.
My stomach.
Oh my god, dude. The cilantro. Mmm.
Yo, y'all got like some hot sauce up in
The
here?
barbecue.
Yo.
The
De
avocado.
I've had barbecue chicken pizza before. you know?
That's what I'm thinking.
It's really good with the red onion, but when you make it pork and you add that succulent, slow roasted goodness, I'm gonna shut up.
With the sweetness of stop kissing it.
I'm sorry.
With the sweetness of the barbecue, and like I think that goes really, really well.
Yeah.
Yo, hook it up.
All
What is
right, there's
that?
some hot sauce right here.
Tapatio, Cholula,
Valentina.
Valentina.
Oh, Valentino.
Valentino.
Shout out to Hot Ones. So be sure to check out Amici's Pizza out here in Valley Village. I'm gonna put the address right here at the bottom. And if you review them on Yelp, you get $2 off the pizza. Shout out to Brian. Shout out to People Be Like. This is fucking delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to People Be Like. press the notification bell. Shout out another time for Tacos El Venado that gave us that dope ass al pastor meat and gave us a crap ton.
Yeah, like way too much. We only used a fourth of it.
No, I'm gonna take some of that home and sleep with it.
Best pizza in the San Fernando Valley. Best tacos in the
Best
San Fernando
tacos.
Valley. What you gonna do? Bye.
Bye. Will, you didn't say a thing.
I really didn't know.
It's fine. We'll talk too much anyway.
Yeah.